remember sitting around the house after all our little bellies were fed. Everyone would be settled back and listening to what Grandma said. She said, come gather around, you chillin'. I'm gonna tell you what I hold dear. I'm gonna tell you about the gracious life of a pioneer. You see, God's always had his hands around them, so when they leave there's no need to mourn. He sent them here to save a place for the children being born. When you see the pioneers walking and they're strolling along their way, you must lower the wing of humility, tip your hat and say good day. Grandma, tell me why, oh why must these things I hold dear? Why must I lower the wing of humility to an old pioneer? She said, son, oh they may be old, but it was God who made them that way. And just as sure as the sun rises in the sky, you'll make it to old one day. You see, they walked a mighty, mighty road, and they carried a heavy load. They paved the way with sweat and blood, so your life you would not have to pay. But Grandma, tell me why, oh why must these things I hold dear? Why must I lower the wing of humility to an old pioneer? These things I hold dear. Why must I lower the wing of humility to an old pioneer? Now I walk that road of life, I see exactly what Grandma said. Because my back is weak and my breath is short, and there's no hair on my head. Your grandma and the wisdom that you shared. There's so many things I want to tell you, but I can't because you're gone ahead. Now I know why, oh why these things you held dear. And God has blessed me to see without a doubt you're a brand new pioneer. He said I know why, oh why these things you held dear, oh yeah. God has blessed me to see without a doubt you're a brand new pioneer. She said I used to be your age before I bore you, boy. Look at me now. I never thought that I would make it to this ripe old age, but God has blessed me anyhow. It took praying and crying and fighting determination to bring this gray out of me, son. You see, I have made it to 93. You said I know why, I know why, I know why, I know why. The thing you had dear, God has blessed me to see without a doubt you're a grand old pioneer. Said I know why, Grandma, I know. Calling you, earth. I'm fond to burn. time for falsehood to die. Only peace and order will survive. To the tune of justice, to refrain of equity, to the tune of truth. It's time for falsehood to die. Don't let your eyes keep you from the blessing of the sky. Don't let your ears keep you from rejoicing up on high. Can't you see that the eyes of the skies are shedding tears of joy for you and I, as it watches all mankind become one. Heaven is calling you earth. It's time for new birth, yeah. Won't you take it for what it's worth? It's time for falsehood to die. So please, don't let your eyes keep you from the blessings of the sky, yeah. Don't let your ears keep you from rejoicing up on high. Can't you see that the eyes of the sky are shedding tears of joy for you and I, as it watches all mankind become one. Heaven is calling you earth. It's time for new birth. You got to take it for what it's worth. Well,